Okay guys, good morning. March 4, 2023, after the winter storm. Here's the result. Look at the result. It's too much. See? Heavy. And I'll try to lie down on the snow with with I want to experience again because I remember when I came here in Canada February 4, 2012, it's too much snow. So that's the first time I'm lying down on the snow. Now after 13 years or 11 years, I'll try to do it again. Okay guys, look. 1, 2, 3, and go. It's a joy! Lying on the snow. Oh my God. Amazing experience. It's wonderful lying on the snow. Oh my God. And then look at this. Oh my God. Amazing. Bye guys. Thank you.